present here. Today is a great day that is opening so many of our Art of Yoga Center. Some of the benefits of yoga are: yoga gives you happiness, increased blood flow, helps your focus, balance metabolism, improves sleep, strengthen your body, mind and soul. Now, it's time of start the ceremony. Let's pray to God to make the ceremony great. Let's begin with a prayer song. Please rise.
Your body exists in the past and your mind exists in the future. In yoga, they come together in the present, says Ayana. Dear friends, the place where we are now is the platform to align our body, mind and soul. It's a place where you can tune yourself to be what you are. I am privileged and honored to welcome each and every one of you gathered to inaugurate this Yoga Fitness Center. On this great day, I extend a warm welcome to our vibrant, systematic, punctual and committed principal, Dr. Sister Anne Perpet Sophie, for this inaugural function of the startup program of yoga. I also extend my heart to friendly, sociable, energetic, available Vice Principal, Dr. Sister Lima Rose. Welcome, dear sister. I am glad to welcome Dr. Sister Selvi, Vice President, who is the backbone of this yoga center, who is innovative, creative, kind, involves everyone, is none other than our dear Sister Selvi. Welcome, dear sister. This center is the dream child of IAC of our college. A child cannot grow and grow without the mother. The same way, the initiative can be reached to the people with the guidance and support. I special thanks to our Dr. Jenny Badua. Welcome, dear, for this functional program. A tree cannot exist without roots. Our college cannot exist with you, my dear staff members. I warmly welcome you to this RO Yoga Center. Yoga is not workout, it's a work in and is the point of spiritual practice to make us reachable, to open up our hearts and focus our awareness. so that we can know what we already know and be who we already are. Let us join hands and support us by this regular participation. I wish and pray that all those who enter into this place feel the warmth of God's love, peace and harmony to discover one true self. Once again, I welcome each and every one of you with joy and happiness.
Thank you, Sister Shanti, for your warm welcome. You are the light. Let your light shine. Light dispels the darkness. Light gives energy to the body, mind, soul. Light instills in us to attain peace and prosperity. Yoga energizes the body to attain the light of life. May the divine light bless us all. I request our dear principal, Sister Annie Purple Sophie. Vice Principal, Dr. Sister Lima Rose. The Vice President of IIC, Dr. Sister Sahai Selvi. Startup Coordinator, Dr. Nilkani. And Non-Teaching Secretary, Mr. Johnson Maharaj. Now I call upon our esteemed Vice President of IIC, Dr. Sister Sahai Selvi, to deliver the recitation.
Good morning, sisters, and good morning, friends. With humble devotion, I thank my God for this day to come realization. So what I would like to start is, as Sister Shanti also said, it is a dream child up startup policy of our college. It has come to alive, or in your term we say it's a delivery. It's a day of delivery for our college because we have started the startup policy through the person of Sister Shanti. She is a founder and Rushia is a co-founder. So they have given a title, beautiful title, Arogyam. That is the meaning. They thought about Aro Yoga Center is going to be one of the pre-incubators period. Pre-incubators itself, we know that within 1 year, how are we going to shine? Now some of us may be thinking, being non-teaching, how they will teach. Sometimes thinking will come among us. Actually, to speak about them is, they have done MSc Yoga for Human Excellence under MS University. They are also trainer, they are also known as an assistant professor. That is Center for Yoga and Spiritual Education has made them as an assistant professor in yoga. Later on they will move to professor category. And they have done recently a refresher course. Usually teaching community only will go for refresher course. Now they are also recognized as an assistant professor. Recently they went to Coimbatore, I think so, I don't exactly earlier. So they have done a refresher course. So they are fully qualified persons. We are very happy about them. So day by day we feel that the center will grow into hundreds and thousands of people. As first, as I said, pre-incubators, they will grow into incubators, then they will move to startup. So first they have introducing to us as yoga. Then they also will conduct meditation, and later on they will be giving a food related matter. So that is for that they will create a different application. Through mobile data they will be trying to do with that. So that is the way we have identified this is one of the startup. So out of 7 startup we have recognized for this year. So we have sanctioned, there are so many projects are there. We have identified only 7. So this is a first center, because already we had startup, but we did not have a policy. Now we know that policy is a roadmap or some map, which just give a guidelines where to go, where not to go. The policy itself we have explained to you clearly. As a teacher, startup founder, we are eligible for 20% of our working hours. Suppose in a day, 5 hours we are teaching means, we know as an assistant professor we have 16 hours. So HOD you have a 12 hours. So you can spend only 1 hour for this program. If you want to spend more than 1 hour means you have to stay back and you have to teach and go. So now with regard to this, so what I would like to say is, at this juncture, I appreciate Shanti and Lucia for their initiative and innovative venture. The startup policy is carefully designed by us and it is appreciated by all the experts of Academic Council. Now Jenny ma'am is one of the deans. So to her, the external committee members, Academic Council members from MS University as well as MK University, Madurai and MS University, highly appreciated for the startup policy. So it gives us a greater flexibility to both startup founder as well as mentor also. Therefore, on behalf of IAC and IQAC, I extend a hearty congratulations to the founder and co-founder and implore God's blessings on you. So this is a felicitation, and she also told me to give a message. So what message should I give? Therefore, I was thinking about this, connect with yoga. First, let me start a humor. Because these days, humor actually because a lot of deadlines. From the controller section, one deadline, IQAC, one deadline, IAC, another deadline. So, lot of tensions we are having. So, I want to begin with the humor. Now, one mother வந்து மகன்கிட்ட சொல்றாங்க, நீ கடைக்கு போயிட்டு வாப்பா. கடைக்கு போயிட்டு வந்து வான்னு சொல்லும்போது அம்மாவே பையனுக்கு உதவி செய்வதற்காக லிஸ்ட் ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணி கொடுக்குறாங்க. The list goes like this way: milk 5 rupees, salt 2 rupees and 50 paise, oil 7 rupees, fish 10 rupees, total 24 rupees and 50 paise. Good mother, so எல்லாமே நீட்டா வந்து பையனுக்கு எழுதி கொடுத்தாங்க. பையன் goes for the shopping at 10 o'clock. Then 3 o'clock ஆகி இந்த பையன் வரல. என்ன ஆகுது அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு இந்த அம்மாவுக்கு ஒரே கவலையா இருக்குது. ஏதாவது வழியில ஏதாவது நடந்துச்சா அப்படின்னு போன் பண்ணி கேட்கிறாங்க. What happened to his son? Any problem? Then he says, Mommy, I bought milk, salt, oil, fish. But I am not able to find out the total. So the total, that is the way we don't enjoy humor, because we have a lot of work schedules. Therefore, we are having lot of stress. Whether sometimes we say stress is expectation between actual and expectation. Many of us have a lot of expectation. Now as a management, we have expectation from you. You must teach well. So you have to, effectiveness in your teaching, hard working, sense of belonging, extracurricular activities, you have to do a lot of things. Suppose if the management sees the teachers, they are not doing this, the management is tensed. As a teachers, you have an expectation. The management people, we have to be impartial, we have to be sincere, we have to be transparent, and we have to be credibility. If you don't find these things from us, you also tense. So therefore, we are facing a lot of expectation. Many things we don't have practical aspects. So we have lot of tension. So from the organization also we have tension. In our personal life also we have lot of tension. So this yoga center is going to give us a lot of relaxation. So yoga and meditation is one of the coping skills or managing skills for stress management. This is what we teach to the students. So at this moment, I really wish both of you, Shanti and Lucia, let this startup grow into hundreds, thousands, and many more people come and get benefit from you. Good luck and prosperous.
Thank you, sister. Your work have inspired us.
body, relationship, and connecting with nature. It is a type of exercise that is performed through a balanced body and requires control over diet, breathing, and body postures. Yoga is connected to meditation of the body and mind through relaxation of the body. It is very useful for achieving the proper health of the body and brain as well as to control the mind and body by reducing stress. Yoga can be done by anyone as a practice on a daily basis to fulfill their need for every active and demanding life, especially teenagers and adults. It helps school, friends, family, and neighbors face the difficult times and pressure of life through yoga practice. A person can make his problem and stress given by others disappear. It helps in fulfilling the connection between body, mind, nature easily. By doing the yoga practice daily, I went to a national yoga competition and I achieved many prizes. So I am living happy by doing yoga and I feel proud to do yoga. Thank you.
Thank you, Andrew. I invite Sister Antine Miri, Assistant Professor of Mathematics and also a beneficiary of yoga, to share her experience.
Good morning, everyone. I'm glad to participate in the inaugural function of Aaroh Yoga Center. First of all, I should acknowledge my irregularity in doing yoga. For now, let me share with you my experience of doing yoga. I have always loved to do yoga and have used the opportunities whenever possible. The day began by doing yoga has always been wonderful. It elevates my physical and mental status. It creates confidence to face life's realities, to achieve and to learn new things. It broadens my perspective and creates a sense of wonder as I look at the plants, flowers, stones, fruits, trees, animals, rocks, mountains, and all the people I encounter. It has enabled me to be smart, to make a proper decision, to smile and be joyful. So today I should say my experience of learning yoga from Sister Shanti. I have learned yoga in my formation period and I was doing. Lately when I started doing with Sister Shanti, I found the asanas and warm-up exercises more different. So refreshing and felt wholesome. And first day itself I started telling to many people, our sisters, it's different, it's nice. So I thank the persons involved in this startup program, Aaroh Yoga Center, and I wish all of us should be benefited by this, by joining this course, and to enjoy holistic growth. And I heard this morning, and now too, Sister Selvi said they'll be teaching us meditation. Meditation is just an awareness of ourselves and the universe and all living beings. And they'll be also giving us some healthy food tips. So I think it's going to be a wholesome experience, and you should try it. All of us must try it and join this course. Thank you all. Love you all.
Thank you, sister. I am Dr. Satya, Assistant Professor of English and also a beneficiary of yoga, to share her experience.
Good morning, dear sisters and teaching and non-teaching staff. As Sister Anton said, I am also not very regular in yoga because in school I was doing it, but after I went to hostel, I stopped doing it. But after my second delivery, I have gained weight. So I learned from Samina ma'am that Rushi Akka was teaching yoga. So already we all know about the benefits of yoga, that it keeps in alignment your body, mind and soul. So I just want to rejuvenate my body again. So that is the reason I went to Rushi Akka for. And within a month I lost almost 3.5 kilos. And even many of them has even gave me comments that you have lost weight. So, and more than losing weight, I think, in my opinion, it is like more of keeping your body and mind and soul, of course, in alignment. And as Sister said, it's a kind of a wholesome. So we'll develop both physically, mentally and psychologically. In that, especially in these online classes, even personal experience from my side. My son, who is 7 years old, was not very comfortable with the online classes. So he was speaking very well, but in between, from the last June, he started developing stuttering. So that is the first reason I took him to yoga. So along with them, I also learned. So it was again an experience for me. Now he has reduced it. So the reduction of stuttering is happening now. So I thank Rushi Akka personally, and thank everyone for giving me an opportunity. And I was telling a few other teachers whoever I met them to practice yoga, but again in want of time, and again being women, we are held up with the household chores and of course the college yoga. So again a kind request from my side personally. So I think thank you the IAC team and Sister Shanti and Rushi Akka for organizing this RRO Yoga Center within the college campus. I hope many of them would get benefited. So thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you, ma'am. I invite Dr. Samima ma'am, Assistant Professor of Economics and also beneficiary of yoga, to share her experience. So good afternoon. So my experience on yoga, I went yoga past 2 years. So I gained a lot from yoga. My weight is 104, so I suffer a lot. But after practicing yoga regularly, my weight reduced to 8 kg. So I feel relaxed and I have better sleep. Then I wear in olden days XXL size tops, but now it reduced to XXL. So yoga improved my inner strength, better relief, reduced back pain and body pain also. I learned many asanas and warm-up exercises also. On the whole, I feel fit. So breathing exercise is the foundation of yoga practice. So all of you practice yoga, be healthy. Thank you.
This is the ad program. So we have prepared a small ad. You can just watch.
பெண்கள் நாட்டின் கண்கள், பெண்கள் வீட்டின் கண்கள், பெண்ணலம் நாட்டிற்கு பலம், யோகா உடலுக்கு வலிமை, யோகா மனதுக்கு அமைதி. பெண்களே,
உங்கள் உடலுக்கு வலு சேர்க்க வேண்டுமா?
மனதுக்கு மகிழ்ச்சி வேண்டுமா?
மீண்டும் இளமை காலம் திரும்ப வேண்டுமா? நாடுங்கள் நலம் நாட.
ஆரோ யோகா மையம், ஆரோ யோகா மையம்.
உங்கள் உடலையும் மனதையும் வலுப்படுத்த, வளப்படுத்த, மகிழ்ச்சிப்படுத்த, அமைதிப்படுத்தி இன்பமாய் வாழ யோகா வகுப்புகள் திங்கள், புதன், வெள்ளி ஆகிய நாட்களில் மாலை 3:30 மணி முதல் 4:30 மற்றும் மாலை 4:30 மணி முதல் 5:30 மணி வரை. திங்கள், புதன், வெள்ளி ஆகிய நாட்களில் மாலை 3:30 மணி முதல் 4:30 மற்றும் மாலை 4:30 மணி முதல் 5:30 மணி வரை. மன அமைதி கிடைக்க,
தன்னம்பிக்கை பெருக,
சுவாசத்திறன் மேம்பட,
உடல் அழகு பெற, வலுப்பெற,
சிந்தனை ஆற்றல் பெருக,
இரத்த ஓட்டம் சீராக,
நோய் எதிர்ப்பு சக்தி அதிகரிக்க,
உடல் ஆரோக்கியம் பெற
யோகா 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 யோகா.
யோகக் கலையில் திறன் பெற்ற அனுபவம் மிகுந்த பயிற்சியாளர்களால் யோகா பயிற்றுவிக்கப்படுகிறது. சிறியவர் முதல் பெரியவர் வரை யோகா வகுப்பில் சேர்ந்து யோகக் கலையை பயின்று ஆரோக்கியமாக வாழ இதோ அரிய வாய்ப்பு.
ஹோலி கிராஸ் கல்லூரி நடத்தும் ஸ்டார்ட் அப் புரோகிராம்.
ஆரோ யோகா மையம். ஆரோ யோகா மையம்.
இடம் ஹோலி கிராஸ் கல்லூரி, குருசடி. தொடர்பு கொள்ள வேண்டிய அலைபேசி எண்கள் 8929267773 மற்றும் 9787302270.
யோகா யோகா யோகா. ஆரோ யோகா மையம்.
We have finally reached the end of this program. I call upon Mr. Pravan to propose the vote of thanks.
Good morning, everyone. It's indeed a great pleasure to stand before you all on this auspicious day to propose a vote of thanks. As we all know, the nature of yoga is to shine the light of awareness into the darkest corners of the body. On behalf of this institution, I would like to express my gratitude to each and everyone present here. I would like to express my sincere thanks to our startup coordinator, Dr. Sister Sahaya Selvi, for a valuable presence, encouraging and motivating words to begin this yoga center. I would like to thank our principal, Dr. Sister Annie Prophet Sophie, for her stewardship, support, vision, commitment and an unstinted support for this function. Next, I would like to thank our Vice Principal, Dr. Sister Lima Rose, for her kindness, her interest, her hospitality and continued support. I would like to place on record my sincere thanks to Sister Auntie, Mrs. Satya and Mrs. Kamima for your honesty and effort you took to share your valuable information and experience with us. Next, I would like to thank Yosha for exhibiting her yoga postures learned from a yoga instructor. She made this day a very memorable one. I would like to express my gratitude to Mr. Allen for editing the video and helping us in every aspect for making this program successful. Next, I would like to thank our founder, Sister Shanti, and co-founder, Mrs. Bushya, for offering doses of inspiration and bestowing the treasure of ancient art of yoga to everyone. It will truly be an excellent opportunity for learning under your guidance. Last but not the least, I would like to thank all my teaching and non-teaching staff for your cooperation in making this function a resounding success. Finally, I leave you with this inspiring quote: "The rhythm of the body, the melody